Boy, this one really looks tricky to me. So, especially when I see something that says be careful and I see something that doesn't look quite normal, I'll say, I'm going to remember I'm doing fine at CMS. That reminds me to always check to see if there's any distributing. There is a number right next to a parenthesis right here, which means that this number on the outside has to get multiplied by everything on the inside. That does not include this 7n. The 7n is not right next to that parenthesis. So I'm just going to kind of bring the 7n down and pretend it's not there. I'm just going to deal with it down here. Then that's a negative 2 times n, which is minus 2n. And here's your careful with the negative. Negative 2 times negative 11 is positive 22 equals negative 23. So I've done the distributing and my parentheses are gone. There are no fractions or decimals. Are there any like terms to combine? Looking at the two sides of the equation, I see the right side is definitely got more going on, and I have a 7n and a negative 2n. 7n minus 2n is 5n. Keep my plus 22 equals negative 23. There are not variables on both sides, and now I just solve my two-step. I'm going to subtract 22 from both sides. That gives me 5n equals negative 45, and divide both sides by 5 to get n equals negative 9. Make sure you've got that negative there. That's very important. I'm going to squeeze in a check. I'm going to change my pen size. See if I can squeeze a check over here. Now, when I squeeze in my check, I have to remember that 7n was there. So 7 times negative 9 minus 2 times negative 9 minus 11. So this is negative 63 minus 2. In those parentheses is negative 20. Negative 63, negative 2 times negative 20 is positive 40. And different signs subtract, I get negative 23, which is what I was hoping for up there. Okay, super. That was number 6.